Hello all. Welcome to session 12 of the PySpark series. So, so far in previous sessions, we have seen that uh, using select transformation, using select expr transformation, and using with column transformation, we can achieve the same output. Okay. There are differences in these three transformations. Okay. So in previous session, I have told you that select expr will take SQL kind of expressions as string with select transformation and select and with column transformation we can work in PySpark approach, more programmatic approach, more Python approach, right? So this session I am just dedicating to understand more about these three transformations because like if it is not that if these three transformations are giving the same output doesn't mean on performance side there is no difference. There is definitely the difference. Okay, so we will understand more about these three transformations in this session. Okay, fine. Now first is select transformation. Okay, select transformation. Okay, so first point about select transformation is use. So select transformation is is used to select columns. Okay, first. Second, select transformation. First, it is used to select columns. With whatever columns we want to select, we can select that using df.select. Okay, I'll just write a common, you know, uh, a common formula maybe over here. F.col. Okay, we can call it col1. Okay, column one and F.column, column two. Okay, like that. So it is used to select the columns. Generally, in more technical terms, columns are called as projections. Okay, used to project columns. Okay, used to select projections. Okay, now select transformation is used to we used to update existing column by applying expression, applying expressions. Right? How to do that? So we already we have seen we use f.expr there, right? For example, let's say f.col. Okay, column one I have to select as it is. Okay, and I have to update the column two, right? For example, let's say I have to multiply column two by three, right? So I have updated column two. Okay, I need to write alias column two, right? So here I have updated column two, okay, by applying this expression. I have multiplied column two values into three. Let's assume column two has some integer float values, okay, number values, okay. Third use of select transformation is it is used to select transformation is used to create new column by applying what expressions, applying expressions, right? How to do that? Same way. In only in alias, you can put column three or another column name. If you put another column name, it will give you a new column, right? That these are I would say uses of select transformation. Okay. Now performance wise, okay, if I see performance wise, select transformation is efficient, okay, because it work it is efficient because it work directly on columns, directly on column object, okay, because it work directly on column object, okay, and expressions, okay. So no extra parsing is needed. No extra parsing is needed, right? Right. So here we can see it is directly working on, column object and expressions, right? So no extra parsing is needed, right? That is why it is little more efficient, right? Now, hope you have understood, right? These three are uses of select transformation, and select transformation is efficient than select expr and with column because it works directly on column objects and expressions. Okay. Now we will see with you will see like with column also works on directly on column objects and expressions. Okay. I'll tell you that also. Let's take into consideration with column transformation, right? Now with column transformation, we all know used to update existing column by applying expressions, right? By applying expressions. How to do that? df dot with column, okay? df dot with column. What? Hmm, let's say call one existing column, right? What I have to do? expr, okay? Call one, right? Call one into let's say two, right? So I have updated existing column, right? Now it is also used to create new columns, okay? Create new columns, create new column, create new column or columns, right? Column or you can create multiple columns as well. Here also you can, right? Update existing columns. You can update multiple columns, right? So these are the uses of with column transformation. So here also it takes column object, okay? It is taking column object directly and expressions as argument or input, right? So here also you will see like there is no extra parsing is needing. So select and with column should be equally efficient, right? But what happens with column, okay? When we need to work with multiple we need to work with multiple column transformations, right? Multiple column transformations, it takes little more time than select select transformation as multiple intermediate sorry multiple intermediate data frames will be created, right? Like for example, how to do this. For example, I have to update column one, okay, this way, and again column two, for example, okay. Here I have requirement to update two columns, right? So what I have to do, f.expr, okay. I hope this syntax is right. That's fine. Let's not worry about syntax, okay. Into two, right? So here I am updating two columns, okay, at a time. So it will create intermediate data frames. It will create intermediate one more data frame. If we have to achieve this in select, how we will do that? We will do f.expr, right? Call one into two, right? Dot alias what column one, right? And in same data frame, I can update column two, right? So there is no intermediate data frame that will be created. That is the reason in such cases with column will be, sorry, select transformation will be little more efficient as compared to with column transformation, right? Fine. Now let's understand selectExpr. Okay. selectExpr transformation. Select as we all know, it take what it is also it is also it is also used to update existing column, okay, by using SQL expressions, right? So we specify SQL expressions. How? df dot select expr, right? Column 1, okay, and have to, right? How we have to do it? Column 1 into 2 as column 1. This is SQL expression we are specifying in string format. For example, if I have to update another column, okay, column 2, column 2 into 2 as column 2, right? As column 2, okay. And it is also used to create new columns, right? It is also used to create new columns, create new column or columns, right? Same here, column or columns, right? By using SQL expressions in string format, right? So now here, what happens is the SQL expression, right? SQL expression needs to be parsed, okay, and converted to column object. Need to be passed and converted to column object, okay. So here it takes little time, right? Select expr transformation. So that is the reason we can prefer using select transformation wherever possible, right? If not, with column transformation, right? Select expr is basically not a Python style of working, right? But that will definitely a little affect the little affect the performance, right? So this is the performance difference between select transformation, select expr transformation, and with column transformation. So basically, this session was not planned from my side. Okay, I just got this question in mind that if we are achieving same results, same output, not result, same output from this three transformations, select expr, and with column, I should explain what is the performance difference. So whenever in your project or in practical, whenever you go and implement this, you should be aware what is the performance difference between select transformation with column transformation and select expr transformation, right? I think that's everything for this session. No practical because we all know how to achieve the output using all these three transformations, right? Fine, that's everything for this session. If you feel this is useful, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any suggestions or feedback, do let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next session.